Hello everyone, welcome back to the Empirical School. Today we are going to learn how to write dates correctly in English using ordinal numbers. Let's get started. We are doing today Junior English Book 2, page number 53, and the topic is writing dates. In English, when we write dates, we use special endings called ordinal numbers. Let's look at some examples. Here in the box it's given, write st after the number. Means after first we write 1 st, 21st 21 st, 31st 31 st. Then write nd after the number, second 2 nd, 22nd 22 nd. Write rd after the number, third 3 rd, 23rd 23 rd. For all other numbers in the calendar, add th. Like 4th we write 4 then th, 11th we write 11 th, 17th 17 th, 25th 25 th. After this, we're getting some exercises. Let's do those. First exercise is use numbers to write these. Here, 5th, we will write 5 th. 10th, we will write 10 th. Second, so easy, we will write 2 nd. First, we will write 1 st. Sixth, we will write 6 th. Sixth number. Third, we will write 3 rd. Ninth, it will be 9 th. 21st, it will be 21 st. 16th will be 1 6 th. 4th will be 4 th. 31st will be 31 st. 7th will be 7 th. 23rd will be 2 3 rd. 12th, it will be 12 th. 22nd will be 22 nd. Now we will start to do B number exercise. Writing dates 14th May or May 14th. Any way you can write. So let's start one number. Write the date for the 24th of September. We can write 24th September. On which date does New Year's Day come? 1 st January. What is the date today? 17th July 2025. Write the date of your birthday. It is your duty. If I write my one, then it will be 15th November. 5 number. Write the date for August the 21st. It will be 21 st August. 6 number. On which date does Christmas Day come? This is so easy. 25 then th December. Now you know how to write dates using ordinal numbers in English. Practice writing your own dates every day to get even better. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your birthday using the correct format. See you next time. Bye for now.